So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5 completely avoid the carpets. If you want it to avoid the carpets, click on three dots in top right corner, then select the carpet cleanup preferences. Now make sure carpet recognition is enabled and select carpet avoidance. That will make carpets be avoided, but will not make the carpets so the carpets will be avoided, but your vacuum will not go on them. They will be completely avoided. It'll just vacuum around them. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.